So we are in Phuket Old Town, and we're in Thalang Road. We'll spell it at the bottom because I don't know.
There's Richard.
There's Richard in it. I don't know what it is.
There's Richard again.
This is what it looks like.
When is it on?
It's only on a Sunday.
It's only on a Sunday night, so yeah, we're gonna go and have a look at the market. And there's Richard. So it's just a really, really busy street, which we'll show you around now. We've just stopped to get a watermelon shake and
I'm getting a mango shake. Best mango shake I've ever had.
Watermelon shake spent 40 baht.
Yeah. Spring roll. Yeah.
Come on then, show me you eating one of these bad boys.
Oh, hot. Pigs in blanket.
Like it's Christmas.
Where is it?
We don't know.
What on earth have you got? Squid's head. Oh, straight in for the head.
I'm on YouTube, this is absolutely gorgeous, you don't want to miss it. Have you like? Oh, that is awesome.
Oh.
Got some.
I'm gonna have to.
That is absolutely.
I'm gonna have to have a nibble of the leg.
Tickle leg. You win. Nice one.
No, I'm okay, thank you.
Yeah,
It's a lot nicer than you think, actually. Hey, Richard! Richard! What you got, Joe? How much were they?
40 baht.
How much is that? So I bought a sausage. I don't think it's cooked.
If you watch Ash and myself regularly, you will know that we have a little bit of a running joke with monuments and scaffolding. So we've come to see this beautiful golden dragon, and yet again, it's full of scaffolding. Richard and Leslie's first ever tuk-tuk ride. This isn't a real tuk-tuk. It's like a...
Leslie's last tuk-tuk ride.
Nice and safe.
No aircon.
Yes, it's air condition.
What up? So we've just finished the beach.
Yeah.
I had a bit of some food, ice cream, chill out, and then we've come to Phuket Old Town. Yeah, and we're on the hunt for a perfume shop. So we're getting some perfume, Joe. How much are you spending?
I spend my whole day with budget on perfume.
So we've just gone to the perfume shop that we've been recommended to go to. We smelled loads of samples and they were 200 baht for a perfume, which is a £5. So I've got 2 aftershaves and Joe's got 2 perfumes. My mum's got some as well. So yeah, we've just spent 1,000 baht, which is £20 on 5 bottles of aftershave.
Just come for a little bit of a bike ride. We're just going to go explore around where we're staying and see if we can get to some local restaurants and things. Brake doesn't work though. Bye. On our little explore, we've seen a monitor lizard just here, and then there's loads of little mud skippers and crabs.
No feet. No feet and no hands. So we're packed, we're done. We finally shoved everything in some bags and we're ready to go in the taxi. Taxi man's waiting, so off we go to PP ferry port and off we go. Let's go PP. As always guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like.
Also, hit that bell to stay notified, and you can head over to our Instagram, It's Creative Ginge, for top travel tips and advice. See you next time.
Peace out. Creative Ginge.